What's up, good people? Welcome back. It's yet another unboxing video, and what we have here is the Realme 9i. It's actually been a while since we unboxed a Realme device, and glad the good people at Realme sent us this review unit, the Realme 9i. And this device was officially launched in the local market about 2 weeks ago, and we only got a chance, to get this review sent to us like a week ago. So yeah, the Realme 9i is the newest model in the number series after the Realme 8 series, which we really didn't get a chance to interact with. I'm not sure if we even had a review up about that device, but yeah, so the Realme 9i comes after the Realme 8 series, and it's also the first device to be powered by a Snapdragon 680 chip, of course, among other specs that we're going to be highlighting later on in this quick unboxing video. And what we have here is the 9i spec text splash right here at the top. We have some Realme branding again here at the bottom, the Realme 9i text again splash all over this box. We have some text, some specs highlighted at the back of this box. The Snapdragon 680 processor, 5000 milliamperes battery, you have a 33 watts that charge, the 50 megapixels AI triple camera, and the color option we have here is the Prism Black. And yeah, this one is a 6GB and 128 gigs variant. I'm not sure if we have other variants, but yeah, so these are 6GB and 128GB. So let's go ahead and unbox the Realme 9i and basically show you the content in this box and how the phone looks like, and basically highlight a few things about the specs. Let's unbox it. Yeah, so let's see what we have here. I'm gonna just remove this cover here. Again, the same, this branding, this packaging, just similar to what we have seen on all Realme devices. This yellow packaging. Let's see. We have the first thing. We have a small package with the "Hey, welcome to the Realme family." Yeah, we've seen this in all the Xiaomi packaging. Let's embrace a new journey. What we have here is the SIM ejector pin right there. We have some user guides, some Realme user guides here, quick guides. Then we have this plastic cover right there. Yeah, there's nothing else here. Then we have the phone itself. Yeah, this color option looks good. Prism Black, as Realme calls it. Some Realme text here. Of course, we just power it on and go ahead and see what else we are getting in this box. Then we have the charging brick right here, and a pair, not really a pair of earphones. This is actually a USB Type-C cable right there. The USB Type-C cable. Yeah, so basically that's what you have in the box: a USB cable, a charging brick, a plastic case, some user manuals here, and the Realme 9i itself, which I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick setup and basically show you what else we have. So let's see. So there's an option: fingerprint scanner, password, face unlock, all those for your security. You can register for a Realme cloud account. Let's see. You can import data from your old phone and personalize your phone. The Realme UI. Yeah. And there we go. So this is a 6.6 inch display right there, and a 90 Hertz refresh rate. There you go. Then we have the selfie camera, right here. On the left side, you have the volume and power buttons right here. Then the SIM tray is right there. They're all recorded at this side, on the same side. At the bottom, you have the headphone jack, the USB port, and of course our speakers right there. Yes, and on the right side is where you have the power button, which also serves as, of course, the fingerprint scanner. It's right here. It's just sitting here alone. At the back here, you have the main cameras. It's a triple camera setup comprising of 50 megapixels primary camera. We're getting a 2 megapixels camera, and of course there's a 2 megapixels camera with 5 camera, and of course the front here, this selfie camera is 16 megapixels camera. And the Realme 9i is based on Realme UI 2.0, based on Android 11. And of course, remember as I said, literally said, but it comes in two color options, Crisp Black and the Crisp Blue. Realme is selling this device for $22,999 and $21,999. Actually, there are two variants. So the 6GB, 128GB variant costs $22,999. Then the 4GB and 128GB variant costs $21,999. And you can actually buy it from any Realme retailers from across Nairobi. Yeah, so that's what you're getting for this quick unboxing video. Remember, this is not a full review. I'm going to be having a full review up on the blog in the coming days. So yeah, keep watching and keep following us on social media for every other details you might need to know about the Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.